Okay, here you go. They look the same. Look at the brushes. That's probably why it wasn't charging. What do you guys think? Okay, now's the scary part. I better put these on. I gotta pull this pin out. I hope this didn't come from a military base. Here we go, look out. Oh! Hey, let's install this alternator that I put brushes and a voltage regulator kit in. My 2005 Ford Focus. Hey everybody, happy Thursday. How are we doing today? Hey, so I installed a remanufactured alternator on my Focus. You can see it way down there in that hole. And it's defective. This is the factory alternator. I put a brush kit in. It came with a voltage regulator. So here's how that went. Okay, here you go. They look the same. Look at the brushes. That's probably why it wasn't charging. What do you guys think? This bearing feels good. Look at the armature. It's a little liney, but I'll sand that up just a little bit. Hey, that looks a lot better. Look what it looked like before. Okay, here we go. Okay, now's the scary part. I better put these on. I gotta pull this pin out. I hope this didn't come from a military base. Here we go, look out. Oh! Ooh. Boy, I lucked out on that one, huh? Let's put it back together. Here you go, cleaned it up, spins nice, should work great. Here's what it looked like before. So after rebuilt it, I had David hold it against this fan that I modified the extensioner on, by the way. Still working awesome. And it made voltage. All right, let's put it on. Take out the coolant reservoir and power steering reservoir. Now I'll be able to get to this top bolt right here, and this bracket comes off. Then I got to pull the stud out. David's taking the belt off down there somewhere. I don't know where he's at. Okay, this top bolt is at 15. I got the ratchet on there. A little cheater pipe on here. Take up. Now this bracket comes off here. And this is a T8. One of these. That stud has to come out so the alternator can come out. There's that stud. I didn't film that. I don't have a little tripod over here. And now it's the struggle of getting it out through between the engine and the power steering rack. It's quite a struggle. There it is, it's off. Yeah, I just replaced this. Look at
That's what that looks like.
we manufactured in Mexico. Okay, it's all back together. My battery died on my phone. I didn't get the film putting it back together, but it was a bitch, just like taking it out. Let's start it up and see if it charges now. Okay, let's check the voltage. 1288. It's charging now. So it's nice that thing's charging again. I've been running around putting on the battery charger every couple days. I don't live very far from work, so yeah, I could go about 2 days and then I charge the battery. That'll do it for this one, guys. Thanks for coming along. You guys come back and see me again. Have a nice night. Be nice to each other. Bye.